Micheal says Bitcoin can get to 30 million in 21 years. Micheal predicts, so if you're holding Bitcoin right now, or like one Bitcoin, it could get to 30 million in the next 20 years, depending on how old you are. If you're in your 20s, you're in your 20s, or you're 15 years old, or you're 40. By the time you get to 60, you'll be worth 30 million, according to Micheal. Micheal can expect Bitcoin to capture 7% of global capital in the coming years and outclass other assets. Saylor explained that the thesis behind Bitcoin exponential price leap is rooted in its technological superiority over other assets and its yearly returns. Well, if we look at the yearly return, which is according to Micheal, then I think maybe Bitcoin is gonna somehow get to this 30 million, but it's gonna be a long shot. We should see a lot of people, start buying Bitcoin. Or we have more than 8 billion people in the world, so I think maybe if 2 billion people or 4 billion people holds Bitcoin, then maybe that could be something cool. Stablecoin issuer Paxos to integrate with Arbitrum network. Guys, I've been looking at Arbitrum lately, and I think I'm gonna do an Arbitrum video soon. Then I'm gonna be doing subsequent videos on the Arbitrum blockchain. It's really one of the top blockchains out there, and I've been missing out on this blockchain. And I think if we focus on Arbitrum, we can make a lot of Bitcoin. And by the way, if you don't know, this platform is all about helping you make more Bitcoin. I'm all about helping you make Bitcoin. I come up with strategies that you can trade, invest in altcoins, and make more Bitcoin. And you can keep compounding Bitcoin through these altcoins. So if you are interested, again, if you want to be part of the winning team, then you should always be subscribed to my platform. So let's dive back into this. All right, going down, if we can see here, it says Paxos will integrate with Arbitrum to enhance its presence in Ethereum ecosystem and facilitate its institutional adoption of on-chain real-world assets. Stablecoin issuer Paxos will integrate with Arbitrum in the Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution in a move aimed at expanding integration within the Ethereum ecosystem. In a September 10 press release, Paxos announced that this is its first integration with a Layer 2 network, underscoring its commitment to broadening institutional adoption. So if we go to DeFi Lima, quickly, or let's just look at DeFi Lima quickly, you're going to see that actually Arbitrum is one of the top blockchains as of now, just behind BSC, that's Binance Smart Chain. We have Ethereum as the first, Tron as the second, Solana as the third, BSC as the fourth, then Arbitrum is the fifth largest blockchain in terms of TVL. Let's just see how much TVL Arbitrum got. 2.8 billion before I saw it. I think that was 2 days ago. It was 2.7 billion, in TVL. That's total value locked. This is awesome if we look at it. Again, guys, if you want to learn how to trade, take out profit, you want to go through my thought process, I have an event coming up on the 18th of September, 5 to 7 p.m. That's 2 hours event. We can even do 3 hours depending on how you look like. But what I want you guys to understand is the thought process behind my how to buy, sell, and take profit, so that when you are investing or trading any coin out there, you have all the knowledge you need. So this is going to be more in-depth. We're going to have a lot of questions. I have the program here. You can see introduction guide on how to approach crypto trading for beginners. So everything here, going to have a Q&A session here for those of you who are interested. Popcat, a top Solana meme coin, we entered a bear market, failing by over 22% from its highest point this week. The Popcat future open interest is stable. Earlier this month, Popcat rose for 7 consecutive days after Binance listed its futures. Well, I didn't know Binance listed Popcat. Honestly, I didn't know that. I've just been buying Popcat, looking at Popcat on, let me just see if I can quickly glance on the chart of Popcat. I didn't know that Binance actually listed Popcat. So let me just do this quickly with you guys, so we can see what's going on with Popcat, like real quick. I'm not gonna just stay here and I'm looking at the news. Oh, okay. Actually, I bought Popcat and I sold it. Yeah, I sold it. Yeah, yeah. That was yesterday. I would have bought more. Yeah, I didn't see this. Honestly, I didn't see it. But again, I'm still gonna think that Popcat might reverse a little bit, and where I wanna buy it. I've mentioned in my previous Popcat videos. I wanna see price break structure close above it, then come down here, hold. That's when I want to buy it. By the way, this trend line is not really sustainable, so I think I have to see price respect this trend line somehow. So if I see price hit this trend line, yeah, then I can as well think of start buying or get some Popcat. So I can see price hit it, yeah, or maybe come down a little bit to build a proper structure, yeah. So that's just that for Popcat.